Now we have to draw orthographic projections of this object. The arrow indicates the front view direction. So in this direction, the surfaces which are visible are this surface, and also a hole is there. So that hole also we have to represent. So in this direction, the hole is there, but it is not visible. So we'll indicate with dotted lines here. So let us draw the front view of this object. So friends, before starting, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and activate bell symbol, and also please choose option as all to get every video update without missing. Now we'll start by drawing a reference line here. So we'll take a reference line of some length, and we'll assume this object is kept some distance from the HP. So we'll take some length, and after that we'll start drawing. So we have to draw this line. So this line is of length, so this is 70. 70 means from this point to this point 70, but we are drawing this line. So this line is of length 70 plus this one, so this one will be 12. So why? Because it is 12 given here. So and only one side is given, means we have to assume the thickness in the total length will be 12. So this will be 12. So 70 plus 12, it is 82. So this line is of length 82. And we have to go height like, so this is given 40, so we have to go 40, and we have to once again draw this line here. So this line length, if you see, this is given 60. 60 means from this point to this point it is 60, but we have to draw this line. So from 60, if you remove 12, we'll get 48. So this line will be of length 48. And here we have to draw 12. You can observe in this one diagram, isometric view, and this way directly you can draw 60, and down you have to draw 40. So this is 40 anyway. So this is 40 given, means this is 40. So because if you see this from here to here 40, so when you remove this 12, it is 28, and once again if you add 12, so that is anyway 40. So this will be 40, and you can draw this one as 70, and you can directly join here. And you see, we have discussed this triangle surface is also visible, so you can indicate by joining directly from this point to this point to indicate this triangle surface. And here we have to indicate this hole with dotted lines. So this hole is at a distance of 20 from this line, means, so from this edge point it is of 20 distance we have to take, so from top or bottom. So from this point we have to take 20 from top or bottom anyway. So let's take from here, like 20 we have to take, and we have to draw a vertical line, and once again we have to draw one more line here, so that of length 20 here, and we have to go 20. After that we have to draw a vertical line here, and after that, so this is not visible, so we have to make these two lines as a dotted lines. So in the drawing sheet directly you can draw as dotted lines. So like this we can make here dotted lines, and here we have to draw the top view of this object. And if you see the top view direction, the surfaces which are visible are this surface, and this surface, and also this surface also visible. And here we have to indicate this surface, this surface, this surface, and this hole. And in this top view direction, so here you will get one surface is there like a Z shape. So this line we have to indicate at a distance of 12 from this point, so like dotted line. So we'll draw the top view of this object. So before drawing, we'll take like projection lines from every point up to some length here. So after drawing these projection lines, we'll draw first of all this one, this rectangle. Like if you see, this will be 60 here. So how means it is here it is given 18 and 24. So the remaining will be 18. We have to take like that, and all of together it is 60. So here also it is 60. So 70 by 60. First of all, this rectangle will draw here, and if you see, we'll assume this is kept at some distance from the VP also, like we have assumed in for the front view. So some distance we can take, and here there just suppose we are drawing like this 70, and first of all we'll draw this one anyway, and this is 60 we have discussed like, and you can join directly, or you can draw a line of 70 here, and from there you can directly join, and we'll draw this one. So this is at a distance of 24, this line. So this line, from this line is distance of 24. If you see, 24 will measure here, and from there we'll draw a parallel with respect to the reference line or base, and second we'll draw one more line, so that will be 12 distance. So from this point 12, and we'll draw a line here. So we have drawn this part, and this part also we have to draw. So it is 60 by 60. So anyway, this reference lines are there, are projection lines, so we'll go according to that. So this one and this point, and here we have to draw this rectangle here, hole we have to draw. So it is at a distance of 18 from this point and 20 from this point. So from this point we will take like 18. We have to measure 18, and from there you can draw a parallel line to the base, or this reference line or base, and we have to once again draw 24, and we have to draw a parallel line here, and we have to join here, and next we have to remove the unnecessary lines here, and we have to make here one line like dotted line. So like this we can draw the hole here, and also this dotted line corresponding here the line, and top view. So we have drawn the top view, and we can darken the lines required. In drawing sheet we can draw the dark lines with HB pencil directly. So like this we can darken the required lines, and we have to draw the top view of this object. So the side view of this object we have to draw. So this is the side view direction. So this is the left side of the object. So the left side of the object will be on the right side of this front view. So when you see in this direction, the surfaces which are visible are this surface, this surface, this surface, and also this surface once again, and we have to indicate this hole with dotted lines, and also you will get one more line here from this 12 mm down. You will get one more line, so that also we have to indicate like a dotted line here. So that line, this line will be coincides here. So anyway, we'll draw the side view of this object. So before drawing side view, we'll take one more reference line like in vertical direction, and we'll take some reference line up to some length. So from some points we'll take reference lines or projection lines. After taking the projection lines, we'll draw this side view. So this is, if you see, this is 60 we have calculated, and this is 12. So 60 by 12 this rectangle will draw. So here also we'll assume some distance from the profile plane, and from that we'll draw a line of length 60 here. So we'll measure 60, and we'll go height, or we can directly join here. We can take this reference, and we can draw a vertical line here. Sorry, we have discussed first of all we are drawing only this one, so we'll draw only this one first of all. So that is, so from here we'll take some distance, and from that we'll go 60, we'll measure 60 and we'll drop to here only first of all, and this way once again it is 60, we'll directly join here, and after that first of all we'll draw this one, so this is also 60, so and directly you can draw height of this much, and we'll complete this one anyway. To here we'll draw and we'll complete here, so that indicates this one, so this one, and no problem, we'll draw this one. So this surface corresponding to this surface means we have drawn this rectangle, so that rectangle corresponding to this one, and we'll draw this middle one here. So to draw that one, so if you see, that is at a distance of 24 from this edge point, so that is in the from the top one. So when you see, so from there it is a distance of 24, and so we'll take 24 from there, from here 24 will take, so we'll measure 24, and from there we'll draw a vertical line like this, and once again we have to draw one line from measuring 12 from this point. So from this point we have to measure like 12, and we have to draw a vertical line here, such that we have indicated this one. So next we have to indicate this hole, and this hole of 24, and it is 12 anyway, so 12 directly you can indicate here, and this 24 length you have to indicate means this is of 18 from here, so from this point if you see, you have to go like 18 here in this direction. So after going 18, we can directly draw a like vertical line, and after that we will draw one more line to indicate that hole here, so that will be 24 from this so from this point it is of 24, so we'll measure 24 here, and we'll draw a vertical line here like this, and so if you see here, if you 24 is here, so that 24 we have indicated, so this will be like a dotted line here, these two lines will be dotted lines, so we'll make them dotted lines, and here also one more dotted line here, so from this line 12 mm down we will get this surface, so this surface you have to indicate like dotted line, so we'll make the required lines dotted. So like this we can draw the dotted lines. So in the drawing sheet we can directly draw the dotted lines here, and we'll darken the required lines. So like this we can darken the required lines here, and also we'll give the dimensions also. So like this you can give the dimensions also. So for more videos, don't forget to subscribe and activate bell symbol, and also please share my videos with your friends. Thanks for watching.